Illustrate some example. In this example, we have some tags that bind for external values. For example, in this case, we want open one. We want to demonstrate window open in garage. In tag open 2, window open is living room, and in the tag open 3, demonstrate bedroom open. And we have this tag directly bind to the text fields. For example, in our case, depending on the text value, it's demonstrate open or close text. And bind to the text code, depending on the value, demonstrate red or green color. And we want that list, that item of the list become on the top if the corresponding text is true, become true. In this case, we create some script. We create by position text count become 0 in this script, and iterate all our tags by using getTagValue function. And depending on the value, we set tag value position. We create intermediate tags, position 1, position 2, position 3. And increment number of position and increment text count. In this cycle, we iterate all our tags and set tag value position, the next position, and also iterate. We'll get all positions, and depending on the positions, we move the graphical objects depending on the position in these expressions. Let's check this. For example, we change living room open, and it's become on the top. For example, bedroom is open, and it's become on top also. Count number 2, count number of opened values. And for example, we to files living room, and it's become on the below list. That's all. Thank you for watching.